Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are bringing another look from the Iluvsarahii Dose of Colors collab palettes. I just lost a ring. Like, how are these mini rings supposed to stay on your hand? If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. And before you leave this video, be sure to thumbs it up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so let's just dive right into it. We're gonna go ahead and start on eyes just because I've been doing that lately. I used to always do my skin first, but because I feel like when I do the eyes, it's like, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look right because like the rest of my face isn't done, you know what I mean? Here I go. I'm babbling already, so let's go ahead, zoom you guys in, and we're gonna start on the eyes. Do not mind the rat's nest on top of my head. Just don't, I don't know what the hell to do with it. It's just gonna do its thing. We're gonna focus on makeup. That's what this video is about, so let's get into it. Okay, so here you guys are, all up in my business. We are going to experiment with that Palma color that I mentioned in my last video. Tarte Shape Tape. There's nobody in the house today, so I'm like, we're taking advantage of this opportunity. I'm gonna try talking during this video. I'm gonna try my hardest not to babble and not have to halfway through decide to do, you know, a voiceover. So this is the situation I gotta deal with here. And I'm gonna do what I did last time just to save time, just like doing one eye. So I don't know why the hell I primed that one eye, but we're gonna go into the shade Wanderlust, and we're gonna just put this all over the eye. We're just gonna extend it out like just a little bit here. I'm next gonna go in with the shade Finders Keepers, and be careful with this. If you want to go in lightly and add, especially with a black shadow, because it can get real messy real quick. So, and we're just going to focus this just on like the outer V area. And I'm kind of like pushing it in to begin with, like to start, and then see how pretty that is. So I'm kind of packing it on where I want it, and then we're gonna clean it up once we have all the shades on. Just lightly blend like that, the harsh edge out. See how I just like kind of softened that a little bit? And I'm gonna go in with Wanderlust, and we're just gonna deepen up that crease area. Right in here. And I'm bringing it higher than my crease just because of my hooded lids. I'm gonna bring that in kind of far there. I know this is looking hella crazy right now. I promise you it's gonna look better. So now we're just gonna take that and blend it out. I'm gonna take that concealer and we're gonna carve where we're gonna put that Palma. I feel like I can't talk during this part. Like takes my breath away. Like I gotta like really concentrate, and I'm only gonna bring it like right where that black ends there. So I'm gonna go in with the superstar of the palette, which is the shade Palma. Right? Yeah. And I'm not even gonna wet this because I feel like I'm not gonna have to. Oh yeah. Oh yes. And then I just got the big brush just to pack it all on, and then we'll go in with a smaller brush to kind of, I didn't even wet that. Like that's straight from the palette. Holy. I'm just gonna go with a smaller brush just to get closer to those areas here. Oh man. Woo. Loving that, ladies and gents. I am loving that. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Wanderlust. Just because I feel like we lost some of that. Just to kind of Finders Keepers. I'm gonna go ahead, do what I did on this side onto this one, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the eyes should look like thus far. Of course, we're not complete. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and coat my lashes so we can prepare them for falsies. L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. We're gonna go ahead, just coat those lashes. And like I said, we're not done with the eyes yet, so. For primer, we're gonna use the NYX Angel Veil primer. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this, and it's probably going to be difficult with these nails and these rings on, but we're going in with Wet n Wild today. Let's go in with the Wet n Wild, and this is the Photo Focus foundation. Remember when this hit the market, it was like, it was hyped up, like everybody was loving this. I'm using the shade Golden Beige. It may be a little light or dark for me, you know, I don't really know. It comes with a spatula, just be careful not to get it everywhere. See, if I back up, like it's not bad, but you know. So base is on. You guys know the drill. I hate foundation on my lips. What the hell is that? Let's get our lashes ready. And the ones, I've never used these before, so I'm not sure how they're gonna be. I've heard good things. These are the Ardell 811s, and I'm liking these, especially for hooded lids, because they are thicker and more wispier on the outer third of the eye, and shorter in the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes on off camera, and I'm gonna fill in my brows, and we will be back and we'll finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the color Light. It's the same that we primed the eyes for. And let's go ahead and conceal. I forgot like how much like this. I don't need a lot of this. Again with my beauty sponge, and we're gonna buff this out. I really love how this eye look turned out. I really am liking that a lot. Just to go ahead and set everything, I'm going in with the Hourglass. And this is the, what is this? This is the translucent setting powder, the Veil. I think Veil. Let's tap everything out once more, so we get those little creases out. And then I'm gonna set, I'm not gonna use my makeup sponge for this. I'm gonna go in with just like a brush. Just kind of tap off the excess. And just smooths it out. Like, I like that. Not bad. We're gonna use the Becca. This is the Sunlit Bronzer in Bronzed Bondi, which looks like this. And this is, I've been using this instead of my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I always use. So I'm liking this. So I'm gonna take this and focus it right here. I always go back in and blend it out. My nose. And just kind of pat that up here. So I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and just kind of go over that. Just press it into the skin. Remind me to do these. I got to set these brows. I keep meaning to do because I know I'm going to forget. So I'm going to actually go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and we're going to take Tempera, oh, there's a brush in there, Tempera, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. Yes, that's better. To set my brows, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Great Lash. I'm just going to moisturize my lips while we finish up the eyes, then we can go in with the lips. I'm kind of jumping all over the place. I'm always face, then I go back. Why did you guys tell me my earring was like this? You can't help a girl out. So I'm going in with the NYX. This is in the shade, it's a blush in the shade Amber. It's like a pinky peachy shade, which I feel like will go with this color vibe. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Ooh, I forgot how much I like this. Let's go in with that Wonderlust shade, and buff that on the lower lash line. That's pretty. Smoke it out. So I'm going to go in with Poquito Más, which is this shade right here, and let's highlight that inner corner. Let's see if you guys can see anything. Oh my God. Is there any shade in here that I don't like? This palette, oh my God. I'm obsessed with this. My God, look how pretty that is. I love that. Okay, so I'm going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. And again, I'm going in with Poquito Más, and let's go ahead and highlight. Now this, you guys saw from the last video, this is like intense. So use a little bit. We need to go in. We need to go in with, that was a lot. Take the highlight and I put it like right in the center of my nose here. I don't know, I like how that looks. And I'm gonna use this on the bottom lash line. Let's see. Okay. I forgot how much I love this for my lower lashes. Oh God, now I gotta remember, I can't remember if it transfers or not, but I'm liking that. So to line my lips, I'm going in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This is in the shade Soft Spoken. This, and there goes the gloss I was gonna use. And I'm actually gonna go in with this NYX Lingerie lip cream in, this one's in Baby Doll. Just to add a little bit of a gloss, I'm going in with, this is Revlon, this is the Super Lustrous lip gloss in Supernatural. So guys, this completes this look number 2 using the Iluvsarahii Dose of Colors Collab palette. But yes, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it because I am living for it. And honestly, Poquito Más for highlight, that's like my new thing. Like my Amrezy, I haven't touched that in a while. So that's like a shocker because I used to always use that. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, thumbs this video up, and comment down below. And yeah, so I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!